Hello friends, I am Dr. Neeru Kiran Banerjee, Senior Consultant Gynecologist practicing at Palam and Dwarka, New Delhi. Today we will be discussing about the causes of PCOS. Till date we all know that the exact cause of PCOS is not known, but there are certain factors which are said to be responsible for causing PCOS. And what are these factors? Evidence suggests that genetics might play a role in development of PCOS. That means you are more likely to have PCOS if your mother or your sister has PCOS or type 2 diabetes mellitus. Evidence also suggests that environmental factors may play a role in development of PCOS. And what are these environmental factors? These are lack of exercise and unhealthy dietary habits like having more of junk food and processed food. So ultimately PCOS can result from a combination of factors, that is genetic and familial and environmental factors like unhealthy dietary habits and lack of exercise. Recent research also suggests that PCOS may develop because of certain genetic and chemical changes which might occur in utero, in womb. This could be because of lack of nutritional diet by a pregnant woman. What happens in these cases? The fetus makes changes in its organ to adjust to the adverse intrauterine environment and will later on develop PCOS in adolescent age. So ultimately it is the lifestyle which has a great impact on insulin resistance. In obese women, especially with lack of exercise and unhealthy dietary habits, this insulin hormone is produced to a more extent by pancreas. So this is a hormone which is produced by pancreas, and insulin is responsible for glucose uptake by the cells, and glucose is the main source of energy supply to the body. So if cells become resistant to insulin, as happens in PCOS, they will not be able to take up more of glucose. So when there is deficiency of glucose uptake by the cells, pancreas will produce more and more of insulin, and these high insulin levels will cause hyperinsulinemia, and these insulin levels they will stimulate ovaries to produce more and more of androgen. Ovaries produce lesser amount of androgen, which is a male hormone, and it is required for normal body function, and more amount of female hormone, that is estrogen. But in case of PCOS, because of high insulin levels, there is stimulation of the ovaries to produce more of androgen. So there is high level of androgen in the body, and this hyperandrogenemia, this causes certain changes in PCOS, certain symptoms in PCOS, like they will interfere with your menstrual cycle, they interfere with your ovulation, and they are responsible for male pattern type of hair growth and male pattern type of hair loss, and they are responsible for acne formations. So that was all about causes of PCOS. It's the genetic, familial or the environmental factors. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Wait for next video where we learn how to diagnose PCOS, because it's not that all obese women or all girls who have irregular menstrual cycle, they are a case of PCOS. We have to rule out certain other causes of PCOS, and then we'll reach the diagnosis of PCOS. Thank you very much for watching the video.